Hello. In this lecture, we will try to solve some of the MCQs. Go through the problem number 29. See, according to this problem, A and B are 2 points separated by a distance 5 centimeter. Two charges 10 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb are placed at A and B. The resultant electric field intensity at a point P outside the charges at a distance of 5 centimeter from 10 microcoulomb is. So, according to the problem, there are 2 points A and B separated by a distance of 5 centimeter. Let us suppose these are the 2 points A and B which are separated by a distance of about 5 centimeter. Right? It is said that two charges 10 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb are placed at A and B respectively. So 10 microcoulomb charge is placed at point A and 20 microcoulomb charge is placed at point B. You need to find out the resultant electric field intensity at point P, which is outside the charges at a distance of 5 centimeter from 10 microcoulomb is. So you need to find out resultant electric field intensity at some point P outside the two charges. See, these are the two charges. Let us suppose P is a point outside the two charges at a distance of 5 centimeter from A. So this is some point P which is at a distance of 5 centimeter from a charge of 10 microcoulomb. We need to find out resultant electric field intensity at this point. See, at this point P, there will be two electric fields. First thing what is to be remembered is there will be two electric fields at point P. One due to 10 microcoulomb and another due to 20 microcoulomb. Since both 10 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb are positive in nature, at point P, electric field due to plus 10 microcoulomb will be outwards. We will call this as E1. See, E1 is the electric field produced by 10 microcoulomb. Similarly, electric field at point P due to 20 microcoulomb charge. See, the 20 microcoulomb is also positive in nature. So, due to this charge, electric field at point P will be still outwards. So, at point P, there are two electric fields, one due to 10 microcoulomb and another due to 10 microcoulomb. And both the electric fields, that is due to plus 10 microcoulomb and plus 20 microcoulomb, are acting in the same directions. So, net electric field at point P will be, E1 plus E2. Net electric field at point P will be E1 plus E2 because both are acting in the same direction. Then, we know what is electric field due to a point charge given by. Electric field due to a point charge is given by E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. Now, if we add electric fields produced by 10 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb, it will be EP is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA divided by AP whole square, distance between A and P whole square, plus E2 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB, that is charge at B, divided by BP whole square, distance between charge at B and point P, BP whole square. This is the net electric field. So from this, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will come out as the common factor, which I can write as EP is equals to, we know what is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught equal to. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Try to simplify in as simple way as possible. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common factor and it is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. We know what is QA. QA is 10 microcoulomb. So write it as 10 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by AP whole square. See, the distance between A and P is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter whole square is 25 into 10 to the power of minus 4 plus QB by BP square. QB, charge at B is 20 microcoulomb, so it is 20 into 10 to the power of minus 6 divided by the distance between B and P. See, the distance from B to A is 5 and from A to P is another 5 centimeters. So the distance from B to P is 5 plus 5. B in the P. It is 10 centimeters. So 10 square or 10 centimeters square is 100 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Right? So 5 2s are 5 5s are, and this is 21s are 25s are. So you are now left out with EP is equals to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 will be 3 by 5. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 10 by 5 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 6 divided by 10 power minus 4. It will be 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 power minus 2. So this will be EP is equals to 9 3s are 27 by 5. 27 by 5 into 10 to the power of 7. Correct? 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 2 is 10 power 7. 27 by 5 is 5 1s are 5 5s are 25. 2 remains. 0.20 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. This is 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per coulomb. This is the electric field at point P. See, at point P, the electric field due to plus 10 microcoulomb and plus 20 microcoulomb is 5.4 into 10 to the power of 7 Newton per coulomb. Options note. Options are in terms of integer values. So I can write this as 54 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per coulomb, right? And so we have this option 54 into 10 power 6 Newton per coulomb away from 10 microcoulomb charge. Direction is also given. See, both the electric fields are acting in the same direction. So the net electric field at point P, that is EP, should also be acting in the same direction. Hagadre, the resultant electric field is acting in a direction away from 10 microcoulomb. Nodri, 10 microcoulomb inda away act agtide. The resultant electric field is acting away from 10 microcoulomb charge. Right? So this is the electric field at point P due to system of two charges, that is 10 microcoulomb and 20 microcoulomb. This can be very easy. ಈಗ once you know the idea of solving, ಏನೇನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, direction decide ಮಾಡಿ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, you can directly solve this problem. ಈಗ we know what are the charges and what are the distances. A ಇಂದ P ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದೆ 5 centimeter. B ಇಂದ P ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟದೆ 5 plus 5 10 centimeter. And both the electric fields are acting in same direction, so net electric field will get add up. So the net electric field can be very easily determined directly. EP is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught will come out as the common factor. Q1 or QA was 10 into 10 power minus 6 divided by distance between 10 microcoulomb and point P was 5 centimeter, that is 25 into 10 power minus 4, sorry. Plus charge at B was 20 microcoulomb divided by distance between QB and point P was 5 plus 5 10 centimeters, so it will be 100 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So then 5 2s are 5 5s are 21s are 25s are 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5 is 3 by 5. 3 9s are 27 divided by 5 into 10 to the power of 10 power 9. This will be 10 power minus 2. Either simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 power minus 6 divided by 10 power minus 4 ಇದೆ. Either simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 10 power minus 2. So 10 power 9, 10 power minus 2 is 10 power 7. This can be written as 5 1s are 5.4s are. So this will be 54 into 10 to the power of 6 Newton per coulomb over. Suppose if the charges given were 10 microcoulomb plus 10 microcoulomb and minus 20 microcoulomb, then electric field at some point P at a distance 5 centimeter from charge at A would be totally different. See, electric field at point P due to charge at A, see, charge at A is positive, that electric field will be outwards, call this as E1. and electric field at P due to charge at B. Charge at B is negative. Due to negative charge, electric field must be inwards. This is E2. Which electric field will be greater? That must be decided by you. See, charge at A is close to P than charge at B. Correct alla? ಯಾವ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಿ ಗೆ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ E1 will be greater than E2. So in this case net electric field becomes E is equals to E1 minus E2. Calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What will be the direction of this net electric field? Net electric field will always be in the direction of greater electric field. Which is the greater electric field among E1 and E2? E1 is greater, so the net electric field will be in the direction of E1. Andre net electric field will be still away from 10 microcoulomb. So this is how you need to approach a problem, right? And while substituting, do not substitute the sign in the formula. If you have E2 is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB divided by BP whole square, you just substitute 20 microcoulomb here. Do not substitute minus 20. Signs should not be substituted while evaluating force and field. You do not substitute sign. Do not substitute sign while evaluating electric force and electric field. Right? So the option here is 1. This is the option. Thank you.